Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys Lava mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show you guys Lava mobile guys date and time setting. And today video title is guys how to change date and time in Lava mobile. Friends, you want to change your mobile time, you want to change your phone time in your Lava mobile. So how to change one by one, step by step we will talk about. Open your phone setting. After phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Lava mobile. Friends, in your Lava mobile, open your phone system setting. After phone system setting friends, click here phone date and time setting. Friends, you want to change phone date, you want to change phone time, you cannot change. And friends, you want to use time zone setting, so friends click here, you can select time zone. And friends, set time zone automatic setting is on. So friends, you cannot select time zone, you cannot change time zone in Lava mobile. Same setting here friends, click here set time automatic setting. Off your set time automatic setting, you can select a date and you can change. Friends, I will change here 8 May, and time friends I will change here 8 p.m. 8 p.m. we will friends click here OK option. And friends, you can check your date and time will change. You can check date, you can check time. Monday 8 May, time is 8 p.m. And once you want to change your time format, you want to use 24-hour format setting. Friends, click here last option, use 24-hour format. After on get time will not show 8 p.m. time will show 20. You can check. So like that friends, you can on use 24-hour setting and you can use, and after turn off guys use 24-hour setting, your time will show 8 p.m. So like that friends, you can on use 24-hour shortcut or use 24-hour setting and you can use it. And friends, again if you on your set time automatic setting, so once correct time and correct date will set in your device, click here use network provide time correct time, and friends correct date will set in your device 11:45 Sunday 7 May. So like that friends, you can set date and time setting and you can change date and time in your Lava mobile. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Friends, do you have any doubt in your Lava mobile? So friends, you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye friends.